Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the pop-up you're going to get that says, how do you want to open this file? So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Type in default apps. Best result should come back with default apps listed right above system settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side here, you can go ahead and select whatever default apps for the applications you want. And you just will go click inside of whatever was listed under here. And then you would select from a list of installed applications on your computer to switch to. So pretty straightforward. And if you ever needed to go back to default settings that Microsoft would recommend, you can always select the reset button. And you can also choose default apps by file type as well as protocol. So if you click on these other hyperlinks here, you can go a step further here as well, and different file types you can associate with different applications as well. So you just would let this load up here, and it would show you a list of apps that you could pick depending on the file type, and it would be a very similar listing for the file extension option too. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.